What is duration of exposure for chronic toxicosis? Multiple or continuous exposure for more than 3 months. What is the relationship between various toxicity does with respect to given compound? Lethal dose will be greater than median toxic dose, greater than no observed adverse effect level, greater than no observed effect level, greater than acceptable daily intake, greater than I exactly not don't know. Okay, what is a dose? The dose is the actual amount of a chemical that enters the body. The dose received may be due to either acute, subacute, or chronic exposure. What is dose response? Dose response is a relationship between exposure or dose and response or effect that can be established by measuring the response relative to an increasing dose. This relationship is important in determining the toxicity of a particular substance. It relies on the concept that a dose or a time of exposure will cause an effect, that is response, on the exposed organism. Usually, larger the dose, the greater is response or the effect. This is the meaning behind the statement the dose makes the poison. What is the threshold dose? Threshold dose is or exposure level below which the harmful or adverse effects of a substance are not seen in a population. This dose is also referred to as the no observed adverse effect level, that is NOAEL, or the no effect level, that is NOEL. These terms are often used by toxicologists when discussing the relationship between exposure and dose. However, for substances causing cancer, that is carcinogens, no safe level of exposure exists, since any exposure could result in cancer. It's very obvious. What do you mean by lethal dose and median lethal dose? Lethal dose, that is LD50, also called as median lethal dose, is the dose that is lethal to 50% of animals exposed to a given toxicant under defined conditions. How does previous or coincident exposure to other chemicals affects the toxicity? A variety of chemicals are capable of increasing or decreasing the expression and the activity of hepatic and extrahepatic phase 1 and phase 2 enzyme systems participating in the biotransformation reactions, hence modulating the toxicity of several xenobiotics. Thus, administration of two or more chemicals of different structure when administered simultaneously may cause increase in toxicity. What is the difference between lethal dose and lethal concentration? Both lethal dose and lethal concentration cause death in exposed population. Lethal dose refers to the lethal dose of the toxicant administered to the animal in any route. Lethal concentration to the lethal concentration of toxicant present in feed, water, or air. It means lethal concentration is specifically related when we give any toxicant in the form of air, water, or in solid feed. What is the meaning of subscripts in the terms of LD50 or 99 and LC50? The subscripts indicate, that is 50, 99, likewise, the percentage of mortality in exposed population. What is hormesis dose response phenomenon? In toxicology, hormesis is a dose response phenomenon characterized by a low dose stimulation, high dose inhibition, resulting in either a J shaped or an inverted U shaped dose response. What is U shaped dose response curve? Sometimes dose response curve do not follow typical sigmoidal dose response curve and U-shaped dose response curves are observed. For example, essential metals and vitamins show U-shaped curves. At low dose, the adverse effects are observed since there is a deficiency of these nutrients to maintain homeostasis. As dose increases, homeostasis is achieved and the bottom of the U-shaped dose response curve is reached. As dose increases, the surpass the amount required to maintain homeostasis, overdose toxicity can ensue. Thus, adverse effects are seen at both low and high dose. How tolerance is developed. The enzyme induction or the increased activity of the enzyme concerned with detoxification and elimination of the compound is a common mechanism for the development of tolerance to a drug or toxicant on repeated administration. A decrease in the sensitivity of the end organs to the toxic effects of the drug is also known to cause tolerance. Chlorpromazine, for example, on repeated administration depresses the CNS of normal albino rats and lessens their locomotor activity. On abrupt withdrawal of the drug, the excitatory feedback is no longer balanced by the depressant action of the drug. This is followed by a marked increase in the activity of the brain with insomnia and increased locomotor activity. Define benefit to risk ratio. This implies that even a toxic agent may warrant use if its benefits for a significant number of people are much greater than the dangers. Name different routes of drug administration. GI, lungs, skin, and parenteral routes. Describe briefly different routes of administration in descending order of effectiveness. Intravenous, inhalation, intraperitoneal, subcutaneous, intramuscular, intradermal, oral, dermal, and then diet. It means intravenous would be more effective in causing anything, activity or toxicity. Discuss the route having highest toxicity. Generally, toxicity is the highest by the route that carries the compound to the bloodstream most rapidly. However, a compound could be more toxic orally than parenterally if an active product is formed in the GI tract. The GI absorption of a compound varies widely. The difference between oral and parenteral LD50 gives some indication as to the extent of absorption of a compound. The IV toxic dose is greatly influenced by the rate of injection. What are the conditions that lead to tolerance? Requires previous exposure to the chemical, can result from decreased chemical reaching its target, can result from decreased responsiveness of the tissue, result from the induction of protective mechanisms. What are heptanes? Allergenic only when bound to protein. What do you mean by an idiosyncratic reaction? It's an extreme response displayed by a few individuals because of genetics. Describe in brief tolerance. The toxic reaction of a chemical to a given dose of a drug may decrease, remain unchanged, or increase on subsequent daily administration of that dose. A decrease in toxic response is usually called tolerance and an increase hypersusceptibility. Define lethal concentration 50. LC50 is the concentration of the compound in feed that is lethal to 50% of exposed population. It mainly expresses acute lethal toxicity. Define maximum allowable or admissible or acceptable concentration, that is MAC. MAC is regulatory value defining the upper limit of concentration of certain atmospheric contaminants allowed in the ambient air of the workplace. This is MRL, maximum residue limit or maximum residue level, is the maximum amount of a pesticide or grog residue that is legally permitted or recognized as acceptable in or on food, commodities and animal feeds. Although both the terms have the same meaning, in practice the term maximum residue limit is used for the pesticide residue while the term maximum residue level is applicable for the drug residue. Define MTD, that is maximum tolerated dose. Maximum tolerated dose is the highest dose or amount of a substance that causes the toxic effects but no mortality in the test organism. In chronic toxicity study, the MLD can cause limited toxic effects in the test organism, but it should not decrease the body weight more than 10% compared with control group or produce the over toxicity. The value is often denoted by LD0. Define maximum tolerated concentration. Maximum tolerated concentration is the highest concentration of a substance in an environment medium that causes the toxic symptoms and no mortality in the test organism. Define absolute lethal dose, that is LD100. LD100 is the lowest dose of a substance that under defined condition is lethal to 100% exposed animals. The value is dependent on the number of organisms used in its assessment. Define absolute lethal concentration. LC100 is the lowest concentration of substance in an environment medium that under defined conditions is lethal to 100% exposed organisms or species. Define acceptable daily intake. Acceptable daily intake is the estimated amount of substance in food or drinking water that can be ingested daily over a lifetime by humans without appreciable health risk. Acceptable daily intake is normally used for food additives. What is graded or gradual dose response relationship? The individual dose response relationship, which describes the response of an individual organism to varying doses of a chemical, often referred to as graded response because the measured effect is continuous over the range of doses. What are the assumptions of graded response relationship? The pharmacological or toxicological effect is a result of the known drug or toxicant. There is a molecular or receptor site with which the drug or toxicant interacts to produce the response. The production of a response and the degree of response are related to concentration of the drug or toxicant at the molecular or receptor site. The concentration of the drug or toxicant at the molecular or receptor site in turn is related to the administered dose of the agent. The effect of drug or toxicant is proportional to the fractions of molecular or receptor site occupied by the agent. Therefore, by increasing or decreasing the dose, the response also increases or decreases respectively. The maximal effect occurs when the drug or toxicant occupy all molecular or receptor sites. What is Quantal or all or none dose response relationship? Quantal dose response relationship is one involving an all or none response, that is, on increasing the dose of a compound, the response is either produced or not. This relationship is seen with certain responses that follows all or none phenomenon and can't be graded. For example, death means if you give any compound, it will either cause death or will not cause any death. Define lethal dose. Lethal dose is the lowest dose that causes death in any animal during the period of observation. Various percentages can be attached to the lethal dose value to indicate doses required to kill 1%, 50%, or 99% of the test animals in the population. Means it would be any dose which would actually directly kill number of population from suppose 100%, then if from 1% means 1 in 100, 50% means if you have 100 animals, then 50 animals will die, and likewise for 99%. Define lethal dose 50. This already we have seen, but okay. LD50 is also known as median lethal dose. It is the dose of the toxicant that causes death of the 50% animals under defined conditions like species, route of exposure, and duration of exposure. It is a commonly used measure of toxicity. Define lethal concentration. Lethal concentration is the lowest concentration of the compound in feed that causes death during the period of observation. It is expressed as milligram of compound per kilogram of feed. This can also be in air. What is a sensitive subpopulation? A sensitive subpopulation describes those persons who are more at risk from illness due to exposure to hazardous substances than the average healthy person. These persons usually include a very young, chronically ill, and okay, okay, and the very old. It may also include pregnant women and women of childbearing age. Depending on the type of contaminant, other factors could be used to describe the population. Sensitive means susceptible. Okay. How do habitually used drugs affect the sensitivity of man to toxic doses of chemicals? The habitual use of certain psychoactive drugs and particularly excessive use of these chemicals could affect the sensitivity of man to toxic doses of drugs and other chemicals. Define the action of poisons. Poisons act usually three ways: locally, remotely, and both locally and remotely. Locally, this I have covered all these things, I guess, in another video. Please watch that. Okay.